Good morning, ma'am. Could you please suggest some important editorials to read today?
Yes, absolutely. There's a very important editorial in The Hindu's opinion section today. So come, let's have a look. So the editorial is Old Alliances, New Markets, Two-Path Formula for Export Growth. India has replaced its lost US sales by deepening its ties with existing partners and exploring new destinations. See, imagine India sells things, exports to many other countries. Earlier, the USA was the one of India's biggest buyers, but recently because of the higher taxes or tariffs and trade issues, selling to the US has become suddenly difficult. And what exactly did India do? India changed its strategy. Instead of panicking, India followed a two-path formula. Now, what is this two-path formula? Strengthening old friendships, that is path one. And so let's talk about path one first. India increased exports to countries it already traded with, like Europe. In Europe, Belgium, Netherlands, Germany, Italy, China, UAE and UK as well. So exports of marine products, industrial machinery, electronics, auto parts grew strongly in these markets. Then the second path was find new markets. India also started selling more to new or less used markets, so it wouldn't depend on just one country. What did India export more? Telecom instruments, electrical machinery, industrial machinery, marine products, electronics, auto components. And what exactly declined? Some luxury or non-essential items like gold and precious stones, pearls, cotton fabrics in some markets. So the big takeaway from all this was, even though exports to the US fell, India managed to keep the overall exports stable by selling more to other countries, diversifying products and markets. So the lesson is, don't depend only on one friend or one buyer. Alright, now let's look at some numbers. So last month we noted that India's trade data for November had shown a continued resilience in exports despite mounting US tariffs. Not only did India's overall exports grow, but shipments to the US also rebounded. However, the exact drivers were harder to discern at the time, as detailed data were still awaited. Now let us talk about, not all commodities exported by US were impacted by the tariffs. Notably, exports of telecommunication instruments to the US, most of which are not tariffed, particularly smartphones, surged to 237% between the periods considered. Let us look at it at chart 1.A. So percent change in the exports of US between September and November. Look at the number. All right, now let's talk about that. Brings us to the items hit by US tariffs and other challenges. Exports of precious stones declined for about 78.5%. Now let us talk about the UPSC relevance of this topic. So why it is important for civil service examination? For GS paper 2, international relations, it's very important. For GS paper 3, Indian economy, it's very important. And for prelims and mains also, it becomes highly important. If you want a deeper analysis of this editorial, please go watch our DNA video. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.